Hi, I'm Ken from SIGA, and this is Google Autosuggest Building Science Edition.
Let's see if you can stump me with your Google questions this time. Common window flashing mistakes. Believe it or not, I have been to projects where people have not used it at all. Other than that, when it has been used, improper shingling, working from the top down, so you've got negative laps. Always want to try and shingle everything properly. How to repair window flashing? Well, if you've got a hole or something in your window flashing, it's often best to try not to repair small sections. This just gives you a lot of opportunities to not do a great repair. I would say just redo it. Replace rather than repair. How to check window flashing. So if you want to make sure that you've done a good job, that it's water and airtight, just take some time to check around the edges of the window flashing, making sure you don't have any fish mouths or anything like that could direct water in behind the flashing. Make sure it's stuck well, that it's pressurized well. Make sure there's no holes in the membrane. How does window flashing work? The idea is that it keeps all of the water that could be running down the wall of your building and make sure it does not get into your building. We definitely don't want moisture intrusion in your buildings. That causes mold, mildew, rot, very expensive problems. How is wheat glove tested? We do a lot of our own internal testing. So we do artificial aging testing, we do UV exposure testing, adhesion testing. Just basically, if you can think of a way to test the tape, we probably do that at our labs. But we don't just want you to take our word for it. We also have a lot of third-party labs that continuously test and verify what we claim and back up our own test results. So it is very, very extensively tested, both in the lab and in the real world.